Misunderstanding.
She fucked a prick in my bed.
You bullshitting me.
It wasn't like that.
You in?
Fuck it, I'm in. Let's roll. Let's get this motherfucker.
Just don't kill him!
You okay, homie? What happened?
Guy bounced my wife is what happened.
Which guy?
The guy up...
आइए देखते हैं बैठ कर मजा आएगा ये
Get the fuck out, will ya?
You crashed.
It's this track here.
Hey, he in one of these fucking houses.
Yeah, keep your eye out. He left his car. Check it out. Little bricks up there. Look.
Oh, shit. Cole's doing all right for himself.
Hey, asshole! You ran off before we could settle our debts.
Michael, what? You got the wrong idea, man.
He's about to have a real clear idea where I'm coming from. There's a winch in the back of the truck. Tied a cable to one of those supports up there.
You finna pull his deck down?
Hey, that prick pulled my marriage down.
Man, you really gonna be this fucking dramatic?
Yeah, whatever.
I told you I comped the session, bud.
Well, there were a lot of freaking sessions, bud. I'm thinking you were working on more than just her backhand.
Mandy's backhand has come a long way, bro. But sometimes it's gotta get worse to get better.
Yeah, well, maybe I should come up there and practice my backhand. On your face!
Oh, bud, your negative energy is seriously bringing me down.
Oh, I hope it is, bud.
We hooked up, man.
You come into my house, take my money, and nail my wife. And we'll see how you like it when someone fucks with your shit.
Well, hey, wait! You got the wrong idea, pal. Whoa! Fuck!
Here we go! Ha-ha! Let's see what happens.
Dude, you are probably crazy. Man, get some force on that motherfucker. Oh, shit. You sorry now, but you wasn't already. Come on, man. Do it to him. Man, homie ain't clubbing outside tonight, dog. Oh, hell yeah, homie. You know what time it is. Oh, fuck!
Yeah! Fuck, come on!
Fuck, man, fuck!
Oh, we did it! Fuck his ass!
Yeah, fuck him. But was we really trying to pull that dude house off the fucking hill?
Hey, we were trying to teach him a fucking lesson.
Now that's an expensive bitch-ass lesson, man.
Maybe he'll keep it on the court and out of my wife.
Yeah, he not taking no housewives back to that motherfucker.
Hey, it's a service to the fucking community.
Mr. DeSanta, what the hell? That's not my house!
Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a tennis coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
Give me a phone! You! Yes, that one! Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo, give you green light!
Oh, I'm scared, lady. Just fucking terrified. Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo! Fuck you!
Whoa. Home. Martin? Martin Madrasso? Shit, we got some heavies on us, homie.
Oh, that was quick. All right, help me deal with this.
I'll give it a go, man. Keep trying.
You got a piece? Think you can handle these guys? This a misunderstanding, motherfucker! All right, all right.
Fuck, man, these assholes are mean.
Ice that motherfucker!
Hey, let's go. Let's leave them behind.
All right, we managed to lose them?
We got a book, man. Go. Push the pedal, man. We gotta move.
How you doing, Frank?
Hey, let's go. Let's leave them behind.
Come on, kid.
Man, you been kind of reckless, homie. We got a book, man. Go.
Can you see them? Are they still back there?
Push the pedal, man. We gotta move. Hey, the essays is booked.
All right, let's go back home. Wow, shit. We did good. We better lose these guys. I don't think they're gonna buy it with self-defense.
Ain't you looking?
Get out of the fucking way.
Fuck, man. Shit, you good?
Fine as wine. Got a few knocks. You okay? I mean, you did good, kid.
Man, I'm cool, man. I mean, you. Mentally.
Mentally? Oh, man, I'm fucking excellent. My heart ain't pumped like that in years. Oh, yes! Fucking A, Bubba!
Man, you sound kind of manly. You just been greenlit by the Mexican underworld ambassador to Los Santos.
Trust me, we handled it. Whoever the fuck Martin Madrazo is, I've known worse.
We just handled a few low-ranking crimes.
We sit on it, we see what happens. Kid, there's no use second guessing. Felt good, man. Woo! Yeah, doing something for a change.
Man, you know what? You are wasted sitting by the fucking pool, man.
You're right. I need to do something. Scotch and sunshine is sitting on my ass. Fuck that, I'm better than that.
Damn Skippy, homie. All that knowledge up there is within the time, dog. You don't pass that shit on, homie. I bet you know some shit.
You wouldn't believe the shit I know.
Yeah? You taking some scores?
There was a time, that was all I did.
Shit, well, no, I could tell you some shit, too.
Yeah, like what?
About this city I was born and raised in.
I'll think about it.
Yeah, do that, man. This could
Hey, thanks for the help out there today, kid. I had no idea it was gonna get that hot.
Shit, pulling houses off the hillside sure has a weird way of fucking with people.
Yeah, well, I thought I was through with all that shit. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Oh shit, I think we're about to find out.
You know who I am? Do you know who I am? Do you?
No,
Do you? You?
I think so.
Good. I know who you are. I know where you live. Who are you?
I'm Franklin.
License.